Hello teacher, hello teacher, how are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. How about you? How about you? Hello everyone. How are you today? Are you feeling good? That's nice. My name is Miss Juliana, and today I am going to read a very nice story for you. It's one of my favorite books. Yes, the name of the book is The Grumpy Bird by Jeremy Tunker. Are you ready? Let's begin. Do not disturb. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Looks like I'm walking today. Bird walked past sheep. Good morning, Bird. What are you doing? Walking. Nice, said Sheep. I'll keep you company. Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird. What are you doing? I'm walking. It's no fun, said Bird. I could use some exercise. I'll walk too, said Rabbit. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hi, Bird. What are you doing? I'm walking. What does it look like? It looks like fun. I'm coming too, said Raccoon. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking? Guessed Beaver. I love walking. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird. What are you doing? Why does everyone want to know what I'm doing? I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. The other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. And they did. Hey guys, Juliana here. Did you enjoy the story time? Great! So like the video and subscribe to enjoy more videos like this. Bye bye! See you next time!